Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to be discussing about what influences the prices of cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency you are aware about, whether it's Dogecoin or any other cryptocurrency, Ethereum. There are hundreds of cryptocurrency available in the market today. So what influences the price of Bitcoin? I've lifted out 5 factors that influences the prices of cryptocurrency. They include government regulation, speculation, hacking, inflation, and current affairs. If you're interested to know how these factors affect the real price of cryptocurrency, I want you to stay to the end of this video because I want to reveal to you how inflation and current affairs affect the price of cryptocurrency. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. If this is your first time in my channel, I want you to subscribe to the channel so that you get updates about trading, how to make money online, and investments. So how does government regulation influences the price of cryptocurrency? I'm going to give you an example. In April 2017, Japan announced that it is legalizing a cryptocurrency called Bitcoin. Because of that, Bitcoin rose by 3% in just 1 hour, immediately after Japan legalized it. So this is an example of how government regulation can affect or influence the price of Bitcoin. It can either influence it for good or influence it for bad. Other factors or other government regulation that could influence the price of Bitcoin was when China um, chose to ban cryptocurrency. It said it didn't want Bitcoin, but they wanted to create their own. Because of this, we noticed that Bitcoin dropped by 15% in few weeks, and other cryptocurrencies were also affected too. We could see cryptocurrencies like Ethereum dropping 20% just because China had placed a ban on cryptocurrency. So from this example, you can see government regulation can either affect the price of Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency for good or for bad. Another factor that influences the price of cryptocurrency is speculation. So we know people who use cryptocurrency live around the world. Few weeks ago, we heard that Tesla invested in cryptocurrency, but just a month later, Elon Musk, the owner of Tesla, is saying Bitcoin mining is harmful to the environment. Because of this, it triggered people to want to remove their money from cryptocurrency because they know that such comments like that will affect people to sell their coins out of panic. Because of that, Bitcoin lost its value by 30% in few weeks. You can see how speculations can affect the price of cryptocurrency negatively. The third factor that influences the price of cryptocurrency is hacking. All of us are using an exchange. I'm using Binance for example. I believe you'll be using yours too. Maybe Coinbase or Crypto.com. There are hundreds of crypto exchanges available. What happens if just one is being affected? It will lead to panic because people will want to sell immediately so that they make sure they can get their money back. But what happens when nobody knows which platform is being hacked? It will lead to a very large panic and people will want to sell immediately. Because of this, the prices of cryptocurrency can drop from whatever it is to even the lowest it has ever been. So hacking is very bad. Because of this, people can lose a lot of money. That is why when making plans about choosing a crypto platform, it is best to make a research before using such platform or such exchanges so that you do not risk yourself being hacked. Number 4, inflation. How does inflation affect the price of cryptocurrency? We all heard recently that US is planning to print out more currencies. Because of this, um, people's cash will lose value. Since people want to reserve the value of their cash, they'll instead want to invest it in something so that the value remains. So, if the US prints more cash, more dollar into the system, people who want $500, that $500 will worth less. So, what can I do to keep the value of my $500? All I need to do is invest it in something. Hopefully, that $500 will gain more. So, out of um, a desire to preserve the value of a currency, people may want to invest either in stocks or anything online like cryptocurrency so as to preserve the value of their money. Because of this, it can influence the price of Bitcoin. Last but not the least, current affairs. How do current affairs influence the price of Bitcoin, whether for good or for bad? In 2020, we were faced with a worldwide pandemic that didn't allow people to use cash. I could say cash became worthless because since we couldn't go out because of the lockdown and the ban of movement, nobody could use cash. So the best way to buy things, including food, like ordering food or sending money to relatives, were done online. During this period, cryptocurrency became more popular, and because of this, people were able to send money or even purchase something from stores that accept cryptocurrencies. Like my country, if you would want to send money, rather than using banks that would charge you, you can use cryptocurrency and it's as fast as possible. So because of that global event, people invested more in cryptocurrency because they believe it was the safest and it was fast. So current affairs like that can influence the price of currency. It actually led to the it actually led Bitcoin to reach its highest because people were at home, people learned about it, and people invested in it. So these are five factors that influence the price of cryptocurrency in general, including Bitcoin. So if you found any of them helpful or you found anything interesting in this video, I want you to like and subscribe to the channel.